Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. This is Preston and welcome to another review. Today we have a keyboard. I just got this from Taobao. This keyboard is TADA68. Well, the name is a bit weird. I think 68 is not a very good marketing. It should be 69. Imagine if your girlfriend give you a present. She say, "Hey honey, I have a TADA69 for you." 69 is a much better number, I think. 68, not so attractive. Anyway, here's the box. It looks very shiny. TADA68, very shiny. Smooth box. So I got the black and the black. So this is from Taobao. Taobao is it's like the Amazon of China. I got this for 434 renminbi including shipping. So this is actually my brother's keyboard. I'm helping him buy because he doesn't have a credit card. So I've also included a red color escape key, something special. So what else we have? We have an instruction manual and it says TADA68. I think a printing error should be TADA68. So Chinese is 配列制作教程. So this is instruction manual to customize for customization. So I don't think I'll do any customization. I'm just going to give a quick opening and a showing of this box. So customization, blah blah blah. Who cares? I think this is the tool to change your keys. Well, and probably I will change to the red key, but not now. Okay, here we have TADA68. 68, I think it's because there are 68 keys, so it's a mini keyboard. Okay, what do we have? Feels very solid. It's all plastic. So what do we have? TADA68 rating DC plus 5V 200 mAh. Designed in USA and assembled in China. Do not recycle. Okay. So it's pretty thick. A lot of grip. So keys are very compact. No numerical key. Typical key. And nice clicking sound. WASD, you know. For all those RPG gamers. So, okay, escape key. So sounds pretty loud when I type, and it goes down pretty deep. So I think it's not good if you stay up late at night. Your parents will scold you if you use this keyboard. Okay, let me plug in and see how does it light up and how does it fare. So I think there is oh, it's here. It's here, USB cable. Okay, I'll come back later. Let me plug this in and see you soon. Now I will demonstrate how to change the escape key using this tool. So, TADA68. Okay, I think you open the legs. Okay, open the legs, put inside. Okay. Get the escape and ta-da! It's gone. So let me replace with this customized escape key, red color. Escape. Okay, let me try to fit. Okay. There you go. Ta-da! Okay, let me change it back. See you. Okay, I'm back. This is my keyboard and here is a mini USB. It is connected to my computer. So, where is the USB? The USB input is near the escape button. So, let me connect. Oh! I saw light. Shit! Where's the light? Is there an on key? Okay, let me try using my computer. Oh, it works. How do I turn on the lights? Oh, guess I don't know how to use this keyboard. Well, since I don't know how to use it, it's the end of my review. I hope you like this keyboard. The price is very expensive, so I don't think I'll buy it unless somebody pays me money to buy this. So overall, I'll say if you have money, don't buy. If the name was TADA68, I will probably pay a lot higher price for it. But too bad it's only 68. Okay, goodbye. Ta-da! Bye-bye. It's Christmas. Merry Christmas.